Welcome to a beautiful sunset here in Lithuania. Well, Lithuania is on the left side, but if we look here, if we cross this bridge, we risk to enter the Republic of Užupis. I do not know if I pronounced it very well, but as you can see, there is a totally different world on this side. And my goal for today's vlog is to try to get a stamp on my Italian passport. I know it sounds crazy. I hope that after this stamp I'm gonna be allowed to travel to other countries. If not, I have the Polish passport thanks to mom, so I'll be able to travel using the other passport. There are a few rules in this republic. The first one is that you need to be happy. The second one is that you need to go at max 20 kilometers per hour with the car, or the kid is going faster than 20 kilometers per hour. Anyway, the third rule is that this is a country based on art, and where all the art should survive, therefore there are very strange things everywhere. And the fourth rule is that if you go faster than 20 kilometers per hour, you will end up in the river. Now let's cross the bridge, and as you can see, there are all these locks of love, and as soon as you enter, you are reminded to respect the rules. Now I'd like to show you what's down there, because it's very important. When you enter the country, you need to check the borders, and on the borders, if I will not fall down, there are some pretty interesting things. The first one is that chair in the middle of the river. What they do here is exactly... wait, I need a few moments to understand how to... okay, so you see, there are these things to get the bad dreams. There is this chair, and there is a sirenetta. What's the name of sirenetta in English? Oh gosh, how I cannot remember. And there is also lots of art here on the river. The thing is, in summer, if you want to have a good luck, you have to cross the river, walk on it, and then get to the chair, and you need to go in front and backward, as it will make you very happy and you will smile forever. So guys, we just found out that sirenetta in English is mermaid, sirena. So if you look at the sirena for too long, she will hypnotize you, and you will stay here stuck in this country forever. So we should just shut up and go away from this situation. I will not cross the river. It's like 0 degrees outside. I'm gonna die. So after you finished swinging with the chair front and backward, we shall continue this trip, and we are gonna go to other interesting places here in this republic that I cannot mention because my pronunciation is so wrong. So this one, being a republic based on artists, as you can see, there is a guy with the guitar. There are lots of art pieces around it, and now I'm gonna show you some. The statue, the more famous statue that is here in this republic, is a statue of Jesus. And guys, you know what they thought here? And they were probably right. Jesus was the first backpacker ever, and therefore they made a statue of Jesus with a backpack. And like lots of people that passes through this country, which are artists, they do have a backpack. And well, here we have Jesus. I'm gonna show you better in a moment, but here there is a piano. Here there are some signs, so you know where to go, but look at Jesus. The first backpacker ever, guys. I should not fall. I'm about to fall. No, I will not fall. So, you see, Jesus has a backpack. That's amazing. There are pianos everywhere in this republic, because there is a guy that donated all these pianos, and because all the pianos are made from wood, he said that everything should go back to where it belonged. So the wood will come back, and it will become part of the nature again. Hello. So you see this piano here, there are these rocks everywhere. There is another abandoned piano here. Check this out. Will it work? No, it's not even moving. And there are lots of pianos everywhere. It's like the Republic of abandoned pianos. One here, one there, another there. And probably they still use this place to cook a bit. Who knows? Looks kinda dirty. We'll see. Anyway, we are here to try to get a stamp from this republic. So we shall succeed in this mission and let's see what's going on. By the way, they have their own flag, but I really don't know which one it could be. This is the flag of Lithuania. So yeah, their own flag has a hand with a hole, and the hole means that all the artists, they actually have no money. They always lose money because they have, they are artists. They do not know how to make money, and therefore they always lose everything. Now, what you see over there, the red door, it's the door of their embassy. That's where I want to try to get a passport. And here there is a pretty interesting statue. But, oh, there is a kid, super good. Don't be shy. And, oh, is it real? Is it a real cat? Oh, it's a real cat. Hello. Not moving. Here we have the pretty weird statues. The guys, they were doing some photos. I don't know what to think about that. Then I'm gonna try to go to the embassy, which is open until 6 p.m. But before, when I tried, it was closed. And therefore I came back here because I really need that stamp. I want to prove to everybody that I was to this crazy republic of art. And there are all these places over here which are super interesting, where I saw people making a photo shoot before, but oh, nowadays it's kinda empty. I should probably talk to you about the Constitution. And but before talking about the Constitution, I want to enter officially the nation. And therefore I need that stamp. Let's see if that door is open. Oh, before it was closed. Hopefully it's open. Is it open? There are no lights inside. Oh, jeez. Well, guys, the embassy is closed. Let's see. Do you know when it opens?
Sorry?
Do you know when it's opening?
It's open now. The gallery on the left, it's open now.
And but the embassy down there?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Is closed, the doors?
Yeah, it's closed. Thank you. So there is a gallery upstairs, but first, this is the map of the Republic. But first, as I was telling you, I want to talk to you about the Constitution. So something happened in this Republic a while ago, and the thing is, the President of the Republic, which wasn't democratically elected, one day was without water. Now, I'm not sure if he was without water or without hot water to have a shower. And since then, he started complaining and decided that we should make some rules into this republic. So he sat on a parliament that comes from parliament. He sat in this parliament and decided that they should write a constitution. He and one of his best friends, they spent 2 hours in this bar writing the Constitution, and now I'm gonna show you what they have written. Look at here. They have pretty nice cafes and bars next to all that art. And now on the street we are gonna read the Constitution. You are gonna be amazed. As I've been telling you, the hand with the hole is the symbol, and it is also on the flag over there. Now we're gonna read the Constitution, and I do not know why they made it like a mirror. So maybe the Constitution is yourself. Whatever you think about you, you are the Constitution. I don't know what's the meaning of doing it in a mirror shape. So the first thing, number one, everyone has the right to live by the River Vilnelė, and the River Vilnelė has the right to flow by everyone. The second one, and here we get to why the Constitution was made. Everyone has the right to hot water, heating in winter, and a tilted roof. That's pretty interesting, and that's why the Constitution was made. So we can go to number 41, do not surrender, but number 40, do not fight back. Number 39, do not defeat. And everyone has the right to love, everyone has the right to be unique. If you want, I'll try to write everything down, and I'll put it in the comment or in the description down below. So guys, it's also written, everyone has the right to die, but it is not an obligation. And if you want it translated in your own language, you can pay 3,000 to get this glass and someone to translate it. And usually all these mirrors over here, they get approved by the embassy of your own country, because they are mostly written here human values and things everyone deserves to live a normal and at the same time meaningful life. You know guys, this is one of the main squares of this republic, and this square is pretty interesting for many reasons. For example, on the 1st of April it is celebrated I think the independence of this country, or it is just a celebration day. And if you think about it, 1st of April is April Fools, and therefore everything is a joke in this country. Everyone knows that it is fake. And from this fountain where they are making photos just in front of the angel, by the way, they tell that the angel was born from that ball. That ball should be an egg, because I think that the artist at first placed just the egg and then said I will add the angel later, or he said that the angel will come and then he placed the angel. I don't know, it is a messy story. Like every fake country, they do have a messy story, but they do have also interesting traditions. So, for example, in April Fool, you should come here, and from this fountain, instead of water, it will come out beer. So if you come here on April Fools, everyone will have a glass, very fast. The beer coming out from the fountain will end. Now, let's try to go and get this passport stamp. Oh gosh. Even if it is a fake republic, even if it is a joke country, doesn't mean that people do not care about it. And look at all this art, or this mess. Anyway, let's focus on the art. Here in the square, this fake country was able to change the name of the square to something else that of course I'm not able to pronounce. The thing is, they wanted a different name from this place. At first Lithuania didn't want to accept the changes, but then they did, because this fake country is beloved by the Dalai Lama. The Dalai Lama came here 3 times, guys. And every time there was this ritual where an artist did something like a painting. He did this work for like 24 hours or 48 hours, and then they burned it very quickly. Or they did some other kind of art like this one, and they burned and destroyed it very quickly. But after the Dalai Lama came so many times, they decided that they should keep an art to remember him, and therefore they made this mosaic representing something that I actually do not know. So now I'm gonna try again and see if there is someone at the door so I can get a passport stamp. I do know that people in these countries, fake countries, they are very lazy workers. No, I'm joking. It's just that when you are not obliged to go to work, you don't go. It's very simple. Everybody will do the same. I'll stay home, watch some YouTube, and subscribe to Michele Ponte. Thank you. Get your visa here, but the door it is still closed. It is open from 10 until 18. It means from 10 until 6 p.m. every day. But today we had no chance. I'm gonna try to come back tomorrow, so I'll get the stamp on my passport and the visa just for you guys. So guys, we just met Austin.
Hello.
And where did you find the stamp?
In the border patrol right here.
So there is a border okay, so we go to the border patrol. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, man.
And he got the stamp. I really wanted the stamp. I'm so grateful. Thanks to Austin, we do have a place where they can put the stamp on the passport. Where do I put it? Yeah, I'll probably put it on this page. I do not want it on one of the main pages because it would be weird to have a fake country on the passport, but I am so happy I'm getting this stamp. So border control, let's open the door. Hello. How are you?
Thank you.
I'd love to get a stamp on the...
Yes, please.
Oh, thank you very much. Great. So I should do it myself. That's perfect.
Yes.
So I'm gonna stamp this without coloring, maybe here.
So
Oh,
you're welcome to Užupis Republic.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh, that's perfect. That's so nice.
Yes.
So guys, I got the stamp, I got some postcards, we did succeed in this mission, I'm so happy and grateful. And therefore that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, keep reading and believe in your dreams. Ciao!